Good afternoon, Mr. Statham. My name's Andy. I'm the maths technician here at Bristol Street Motors. I've been working on your vehicle for the clutch judder. I carried out a transmission control module update and a new learn on the gearbox itself. However, this did not fix the fault. The judder is still there. I've recorded the judder. This might not mean too much to you, but that is the judder, live data. And you subtract the lowest reading from the highest reading. Anything more than 300 RPM difference and you need a new clutch. Yours works out to 431 RPM difference. So this will require a new clutch to be fitted. While the vehicle's been in with us, I've carried out a visual inspection. And there's a couple of other points I need to make you aware of. We've carried out a battery test on your vehicle, and this has failed. And our Ford diagnostic equipment has said this needs to be replaced, so it won't let you down during the winter months. I've tested your coolant, and although the level is below the minimum, the coolant itself is actually in good condition, down to around minus 37 degrees centigrade. Your brake fluid level is on the minimum, and I have tested this, and this is coming up amber, advisory that you have this replaced. We send the vehicle up now. I've removed the wheel to inspect the front brakes. The front brake pads are around 50% worn. However, the front discs are below the recommended change thickness. And I can show you this now. So if we start with the brake pads and use this tool, it's a 6mm tool. That slots in there lovely. It indicates that the pads are around 50% worn. Nothing to worry about there too much. However, the front brake discs have a reading of 21.6mm. Ford recommend that once they reach 23mm, you have them replaced. Continue to send the vehicle up now. Show you the underside. Okay, the vehicle's up in the air now. We start with the front suspension. This is all in good condition. Over to the other side. Suspension all looks in good condition. The transmission shows no signs of any leaks, as to the engine, but unfortunately we do have an oil leak, quite bad. This is looking like it's from the power steering pump. I would advise you have this replaced. Front tyres in good condition. Measure these for you. 7mm. And we go to the near side front, again in good condition. And if we measure that, 6.8. 7mm. Move on to the rear of the vehicle. The exhaust system all looks in good condition. Fuel tank showing no signs of any damage or leaks. Offside rear suspension all looks in good condition, as too does the rear tyre. We'll measure this again, 6.7, 7mm. Finally, near side rear suspension and tyre all in good condition. And if we measure this one as well, 6.9mm. So all the tyres are new. Thank you for choosing Bristol Street Motors. One of our advisors will be with you shortly.